So I have tried many body washes and shower gels, but nothing seems much promising. I had used body washes from the Body Shop in the past and thought of switching the brand this time. And I like the body washes that make you feel like you've stepped out of a spa every time you shower. There are so many brands to choose in Indian market nowadays. Innisfree is a Korean brand which has been in trend recently. I wanted to try that one as well. Anyway, I ended up buying this one from Nature's Absolute. This is organic coffee body cleanser. I have used a couple of products from this one, Nature's Absolute, and I have liked most of their products so far. Continue watching to know if I like this one. So this shower gel arrives in this cardboard outer packaging. Outer product is in brown coffee like color plastic bottle we have inside. We can't see the quantity of this cleanser left inside the bottle. It is not see-through bottle, you see. It has an easy flip open white cap though. It actually has a lid too. It has a lid inside, so you can actually use this lid to prevent from spilling when you're traveling. You can use this lid. If you drill a hole in that lid, you can easily dispense the product without any wastage. You can have precise squeeze. Actual product is also in brown color, which is bold. I sort of didn't like the brown color for shower gel, but yeah, it's understandable considering the whole coffee theme they're going with, right? This shower gel helps to ward off stress and fatigue, which it's relaxing. Fragrance is relaxing too. The fragrance is like perfect burnt burst brownie like smell. That smell you get from chocolate lava cake. So yeah, it's a coffee cleanser but smells somewhat like chocolate. Not sweet though. Yeah, coming to its texture, it has very lightweight gel like texture. If I'm being honest, I can't call it exactly gel. It's more like a shampoo consistency, very smooth texture. The consistency is just perfect, neither too thin or thick. It glides over the skin so smoothly and easily. There are so many shower gel that I've used in the past. They leave like a moisturizing film on your skin that leaves your skin smooth and silky. And the Nature Absolute shower gel, by its very appearance, gives that impression of that kind of luxury, makes the everyday shower an unhurried spa-like experience, just because of the whole vibe, the smell and the color and the simplistic bottle. This body wash lathers very nicely over the body. You only need like a tiny bit of a product. I keep calling it shower gel, but it's actually body cleanser. This comes with this exotic fragrance which leaves you with this feeling of energizing freshness. Somewhat resembles coffee but mostly burnt chocolate smell wise. But this stuff smells amazing. 2 pumps onto your body puff and you are all good. I mean, it lathers your entire body just with the 2 pumps. Cleanses the skin of all impurities and leaves behind this lovely fragrance, but it doesn't last long though. It does not dry out my skin either, neither does it hydrate very well. So that's something you need to take note of. As far as cleaning the dirt and dead skin is considered, yes, it does it very well with good fragrance over that. Overall, it doesn't really improve the skin even if you use it regularly. Let's talk about pros and cons. For pros, it lathers well, nice packaging, little goes a long way, nice texture, washes off beautifully. What was that? That's my cat. Washes off beautifully, suits all skin type. That's what I can think of right now. For cons, it doesn't moisture the skin for long. Fragrance doesn't last for long. It's a bit expensive compared to the other alternative available in India. There are some substitute, aren't there? Yeah. This is like what? How expensive is this one? How much is this one? This is 499 rupees and you get 100 ml. This is 499 rupees and you get 200 ml, but the deal is that once you open it, you have to finish it within 6 months. So I think most people can finish it off, but if you're like me who, you know, keeps 2-3 shower gel bottle open in your bathroom, then it's hard to finish one bottle that fast. So that's something you should take a note of. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. It makes me so happy that you made it till the end of this video. I have more videos like this. I'll be sure to also link other products reviews from this brand in description box. Don't go buying without looking it up here on the YouTube. Search for the product name and then the word Rutuma. Chances are you'll probably find the review done by me. I review a lot. I review almost all skincare, haircare products that gets launched in India. All my reviews are unbiased, honest, and I mean that goes without saying. Now you know me. It's been some time since I've been on YouTube. You know me. I'm honest, right? Don't you know that? Okay. Bye.